In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Stripe to Wix so you can start accepting online payments securely on your website. First, log in to your Wix account and open your site's dashboard. This is your main control center for managing everything on your site. From the dashboard, look for the Get Paid section and click on Accept Payments. This is where Wix lets you manage all your payment methods in one place. Once you're inside the Accept Payments area, scroll through the available payment options until you find Stripe under the Credit Card section. Next to Stripe, you'll see a Connect button. Go ahead and click it. At this point, Wix will redirect you to Stripe. If you already have a Stripe account, simply log in with your existing details. If you don't have one yet, you'll be guided through creating a new Stripe account step by step. Just follow the on-screen instructions and complete the setup. After you've signed in or finished creating your Stripe account, Wix will automatically connect Stripe to your site. Once the process is complete, Stripe will be active as a payment method, allowing customers to pay you securely using credit or debit cards. And that's it. You've successfully connected Stripe to your Wix website, and your site is now ready to accept online payments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other Wix tutorials for more helpful setup guides.